Changing your Steam username is a straightforward process that can breathe new life into your gaming experience. In 2024, Steam has made it easier than ever to personalize your identity on the platform, allowing you to stand out in the vast gaming community. Whether you want to reflect a new interest, adopt a fun persona, or simply make a fresh start, here's how you can do it in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Steam account and navigate to your profile. Once you're there, look for the Edit Profile button. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll find a field labeled Profile Name. This is your chance to shine. Type in your desired username. Keep in mind that your username can be anything you want, but try to keep it appropriate and within the community guidelines to avoid any issues. After you've settled on a name that resonates with you, scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit Save Changes. Voila! You've successfully changed your Steam username. It's that easy. Remember, you can change your username as often as you like, so don't hesitate to switch things up whenever inspiration strikes. Additionally, if you want to enhance your overall Steam experience, consider updating your profile picture and bio. This not only complements your new username, but also gives your profile a fresh and inviting look. With these updates, you'll be ready to dive back into the gaming world, connect with friends, and make new ones. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and let your new Steam username reflect the gamer you truly are. Stay up to date with Famety on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.